Hey guys, it's Janine here, and in today's video we are going to be learning about the distributive property. So what the distributive property tells us is that when we have something in this form, we can take the number outside of the parentheses and multiply it by each term inside the parentheses. So we have AB from here, and then we have AC from here. And this is a plus sign because we have a plus sign here. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few examples. So in this example here we have 2 times 5 plus 3. So we are going to start off by multiplying this 2 outside by the 5. And so we have 2 times 5. And then we have a plus sign here because this is a plus. And then next we are going to multiply the 2 by the 3. And so we have 2 times 3. And then simplifying this, we have 10 plus 6, which is equal to 16. So let's go ahead and take a look at one more example. So in this example here, we have 5 times 8 minus 2. So the first thing that we want to do is multiply this term outside by the number 8. And then so we have 5 times 8. And then we have a minus sign here, so we put a minus sign here. And then next, we want to multiply this 5 by the 2, and we get 5 times 2. And then simplifying this, we get 40 minus 10, which is equal to 30. And so that is a distributive property. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.